Click on the link below to get price. Welcome back, everyone. It's great to have you with us today. We're diving into a topic that's incredibly relevant for many of you: moisture problems in your living spaces. Have you ever stepped into your basement or crawl space only to be greeted by that unmistakable, musty smell? Ugh, right? It's like entering a swamp. Well, get ready to wave goodbye to dampness and say hello to newfound comfort, because today we're shining a spotlight on the game-changing AprilAire E070 Dehumidifier. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's paint a vivid picture. Imagine this. It's a warm summer day. You're lounging in your living room, soaking up the sunlight, but there's this sticky, uncomfortable feeling weighing you down. Maybe you just came from the basement, and it feels more like a sauna in there than a storage area. That's where the AprilAire E070 steps in as your moisture-fighting hero. But let's not just stop it at being just another dehumidifier. This incredible unit is specifically designed for spaces that often harbor moisture, like crawl spaces, basements, and yes, even your entire home. It boasts the capability to tackle moisture in areas up to a whopping 2,800 square feet. Can you believe that? Just think about how much space that covers. And wait, I've got more good news for you. This dehumidifier has earned the prestigious title of Most Efficient Dehumidifier by Energy Star for 2023. That's right. You can trust it to remove moisture quickly and effectively, all while keeping your energy bills in check. Just picture this: removing up to 70 pints of moisture every single day without breaking the bank. That's a significant amount of moisture, folks, perfect for combating all those summer humidity woes. So whether you're dealing with a damp basement, a humid crawl space that seems to attract moisture like a magnet, or even that garage that feels more like a water park than a storage area, the AprilAire E070 is the solution you've been searching for. And let's talk about its groundbreaking smart sensing technology. Can you believe it? This means that the E070 automatically springs into action whenever it detects humidity levels rising above your desired target. Just set it and forget it. No more constant checking or worrying. This dehumidifier has got you covered. And here's something I absolutely love about the AprilAire E070. It comes fully equipped with everything you need for an effortless setup. You'll receive a drain hose, 2 extra filters, and a set of dehumidifier risers, all included. No messy water trays to empty here, folks. Just connect a hose or place the unit over a floor drain, and you're good to go. It really is that simple. Now, I know what you might be thinking. How reliable is this thing? That's a totally valid concern when investing in home appliances. But with the AprilAire E070, you can put those worries to rest. This isn't just any appliance. It's backed by a robust 5-year warranty, which gives you serious peace of mind. Plus, if you ever find yourself with questions or need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is always ready to help you out. Let's take a moment to reflect on how many people are already experiencing the immense benefits of the AprilAire E070. Over 200 customers have already made this smart investment, and it enjoys a remarkably high sales rank in both the dehumidifier and home and kitchen categories. It's no surprise that this model has garnered 94 reviews, boasting an impressive average rating of 4.8 stars. Wow, that speaks volumes. So whether you're looking to improve your indoor air quality, reduce allergens that may be floating around, or simply want to create a more comfortable living space for yourself and your family, the AprilAire E070 Dehumidifier is your ultimate solution. With its outstanding energy efficiency, ease of use, and superior performance, it's time to take control of your home's humidity levels and reclaim your comfort. As we start to wrap up today's episode, I want to encourage you to transform your environment with the AprilAire E070 Dehumidifier. Don't wait. Experience the difference for yourself. You deserve a comfortable, healthy home free from excess moisture. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time with more insightful tips and tricks to enhance your home. Stay dry, everyone. Click on the link below to get price.